Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang tamang pamamaraan in shading an object. This is Karine, your artist from Davao City. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, get a pencil and this is the correct way of holding it. Hindi dapat matulis ang iyong lapis, huwag hawakan ng patayo, bahagyang ipatagilid ito. Ang shading ay nagagawa sa pamamagitan ng pagkiskis ng lapis sa papel. So I have here with me my charcoal pencil. This is Derwent in the light shade. In shading, hindi kailangan ng special pencils, but some pencils can make shading easier for you. But you can still use kung ano man yung lapis na meron ka sa bahay niyo. Ang shading ay nakaka-enhance ng image dahil nagbibigay siya ng dimensyon sa ating sphere. Mga bata, suriin ninyo ang inyong ginawang likhang sining. Sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay ng shading sa hugis, ay mas nabibigyan natin ng diin ang ilusyon at lalim ng hugis at mas lalong na ipapakita mo ang tatlong dimensyon na bahagi nito. Sa inyong nakikita, the light source is from the upper right part of the sphere. So, ibig sabihin, we want to develop our shadow sa left part ng ating sphere. Take your time and be patient. Maintain a consistent pressure between each back and forth of your stroke. So, i-eliminate natin yung mga major gaps between strokes. This time, gawa na tayo ng shadow effect ng ating sphere para mas maging mukhang totoo ang ating object. The lighter you apply pressure, the better you will achieve a smooth gradient without any distinct lines. All you have to do is to be consistent sa pressure. The heavier the pressure, the darker the shade. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang pag-shade until ma-achieve mo ang desired gradient ng iyong sphere. I have here with me a cotton ball. This is optional. Ang purpose nito is to have a seamless gradient para mas maging smooth pa ang ating shading. Then, balik ka na naman to darken the core shadow where the light source ends by applying more pressure in your pencil. Lessen the pressure to make smooth transition between values. I'm hoping na may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial about shading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa latest videos ko. This is me, Karine, your artist from Davao City. God bless everyone. Bye!